Hey there, curious minds, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to embark on an extraordinary adventure. We are about to look into a topic that has captivated both scientists and storytellers alike. Did giants exist and walk the earth? Yes, you heard it right. You might have heard of these colossal beings in legends and myths. But what if we told you that there is more to this tale than fiction alone? Picture this, you have heard of massive ancient structures like the pyramids of Egypt, right? But did you ever wonder how these enormous stones were moved and placed with such precision? Given the limited technology of those times, it is mind boggling to say the least. Some believe that giants might have been the architects behind these marvels, as no human could have done it alone. Now, let us look at some theories people give to justify these feats. Some argue that ancient civilizations had sophisticated systems of pulleys and ramps. These systems enabled them to construct these incredible structures. While such theories do seem plausible, here comes the interesting part. Given their magnanimous size and weight, transporting rocks via ramps appears unlikely. We cannot discredit the claims of ancient texts either. There is evidence in diverse texts from around the world that hints at the presence of giants. Even more astonishing is the discovery of gigantic human footprints. Huge imprints of footprints have been found in various parts of the world, from the US state of Arizona to the Himalayan region in India. These footprints are way larger than those of any human living today. Scientists have examined these prints and the results are baffling. The size and depth of these footprints show the presence of beings way larger than the average human. Based on estimated calculations, these giants would have been over 15 feet tall. Finding these footprints fuels speculation that giants may have walked among us. The concept of giants is not limited to only modern discoveries. Many ancient civilizations, including Indian mythology, also talk about these colossal beings. According to Indian scriptures, there were beings known as Rakshasas and Asuras. They are often depicted as formidable giants with extraordinary powers. There is another fascinating mention in Indian mythology that refers to the Vanaras. They are an ancient race of monkey-like beings. In the epic Ramayana, these Vanaras play a crucial role in the story. It is said that the Hindu god Hanuman, the leader of the Vanaras, could assume a body as mammoth as a mountain. Such claims attest to the belief that giants existed in the past. Aside from Indian mythology, stories about giants may be found in many other cultures. In Greece, the ancient poet Homer wrote about Cyclops, the one-eyed giant. The Titans, who were enormous beings, are also mentioned many times in Greek mythology. And let us not forget about Goliath, the mighty giant from the Bible. Now, it is easy to dismiss these stories as mere fairy tales, but what if there is more to them than meets the eye? Also, you may wonder, is there any concrete evidence to support these tales? Believe it or not, scientists have found incredible evidence that giants existed. Now, let us take a trip back in time to explore real historical accounts of giants. One remarkable example comes from the fossilized remains of a creature called Gigantopithecus. According to science, this ancient ape-like species lived around 9 million years ago and stood an astounding 10 feet tall. Imagine encountering such a massive creature in the wild. But wait, there is more to this. In the 16th century, a colossal skeleton was reportedly unearthed in France. It measured an astonishing 11 feet. And in the 19th century, giants' remains were allegedly discovered in North America. They had a height exceeding 7 feet. Moreover, archaeologists have unearthed some intriguing, gigantic artifacts, leaving us scratching our heads. They discovered several unusually big bones and skeletal remains, maybe belonging to giants. But some of these findings remain shrouded in mystery, all due to controversies and doubts surrounding their authenticity. It is certainly challenging to authenticate ancient remains, yet these discoveries too change the way we view history. Amidst these puzzling finds, there are reports of large rocks and hills around the world that resemble human faces or body parts. For example, the Old Man of Hoy, a tall sea stag in Scotland, has a striking resemblance to a colossal human figure gazing out to sea. The stone face in Vermont, USA, looks remarkably like a human face gazing up at the sky. There are thousands of such examples all over the world, but many believe that these rocks are actually bodies of giants who were petrified for some mysterious reason. A giant flood, perhaps? After looking at these points, we can come to the conclusion that the possibility of giants roaming on the face of the earth in ancient times is not so far-fetched. The evidence we have explored today does open doors to the endless possibilities of the past. The layers of time might eventually release the truth which may be waiting for us around the corner. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more such mind-bending explorations. Stay tuned for more inspiring, insightful and informative videos from our channel. Till then, stay curious, stay amazed and keep questioning the world around you. See you next time.